Man versus Tuso. Guys, we're back again
Back at it. Back
to
at
talk
it.
everything football related.
What's happening? What's happening?
There's only one place to start, my man.
Lando Paris.
MTN 8 final. Witchcraft. Buloyi.
What?
Buloyi. Witchcraft. Pela,
No.
3 goals in pa. After 90 minutes.
Yeah, but
Buloyi.
remember I did say, Ori, Stellenbosch not the same Stellenbosch now. It's not the same Stellenbosch. I'm telling you, like, they don't have I don't see them competing the top 4 of the league as I thought
That's
this season. So they're not that strong. So I did see it coming that no.
But
Pirates
was
will
not.
give them a
But did
hiding.
Baka not panic, Mara? Pela, he had them. First half 45 minutes, good 45. Second half 50 minutes in, he makes subs. Mujela, Barnes.
Was it a good 45?
My man, they were contained. What more must happen? I could about contain it.
Maybe you only shot 1 goal fit. Still is. Final, like for a cup final, still is. You could do better.
Man, I guess it was meant to contain them, go the distance, and then 70, 80 minutes we start taking risks. Yeah, now I panic at 56. Unchechang, Barnes 56.
But let's give it to Pirates. Well done to Pirates.
Yeah, well done to Pirates. Yeah,
Well
yeah.
deserved. Ish, now, hey.
But hey, my
Is
man, I
it-
can't walk on
Is
the
it 4 in a
street.
row or the 1-3, Sundowns 1 and then Pirates 1-4?
No,
Or is it-
Sundowns have won 4 in a row.
it's a row.
4 in a row. In 6 years, they've won it 5 times. So it was Pirates, Sundowns, Pirates. 4 in a row.
Yeah, well, cup specialists.
But it doesn't matter because we're still the Cup Kings, Tina. At the MTN 8, we've won it the
Yeah,
most
yeah,
times.
no.
15 times.
No, it will take a lot to get there.
But then, no, Pirates, how do they always get it right, the final?
They always have a good start to a season. That goes with the preparations that they get.
Okay.
So if your preparation is well planned,
Yeah.
of season,
Yeah.
you have a great MTN 8.
Marajan.
That's how teams. Yes, I'm telling you. Like,
But when the last time you said final, like once off, like, you know, Lotto once off.
yeah, it is.
How come Pirates always get that once off right?
Yeah,
no
but-
other team gets it right.
But their once-off starts from the beginning of the season. I mean, you saw Pirates from preseason.
Yeah, the preseason,
You
yeah.
saw that they
Yeah.
were gonna be challenging.
But then they lost the first 2 games and then,
Yeah, then they lost.
Eh.
And those are the things that are part of preseason, because now you think you're gonna start with this team, and then it doesn't work for the first 2 games, and then you just change one, you just tweak it a bit, then you're back on track.
Okay.
So it shows that the foundation is strong.
That's foundation is
Wabona?
strong. Okay,
If it was not
okay.
strong, they were gonna, now those 2 games are gonna, coach is gonna be changing things now, wanted to change everything, now doubting the players he signed. You understand? But they knew that they're a good team. They just have to just adjust there and there. And now another cup for Pirates. Well done, Orlando Pirates.
Mara,
It's
and-
tough to say it, but well done, Orlando Pirates.
Anyway, now you're standard player in the final. Because you know mine. Mine, I give a 10 out of 10 rating.
For police.
Awa,
Bogasi.
Nduli.
Oh, Nduli.
Nduli. Yo, 10 out of 10 rating. My man of the match. Personally, I saw they gave it to Muremi. I disagree.
Yeah.
Nduli.
It just shows that
Breakdown midfield.
there was no that one outstanding player, because Police came on and he changed the game for Pirates. I could have given it to him than
Muremi.
Muremi, I think he just finished the chance as well. But Police is the one who won the game for Pirates.
But then,
for me.
But then I see now, okay, yeah, sorry, and I keep switching over. But then what did Steve, how does Steve Barker, how did he get it wrong? From your point of view, how does Steve Barker get this wrong?
He didn't get anything wrong.
Not the quality of the players or
No, he didn't get it wrong. I mean, his chance was just to hang in there, as you said, until extra time. Unfortunately, extra time, so his plan was to hang in there.
And
He
so
was not going to
penalties.
go pound for pound for Pirates. As I said to you, Stellis doesn't have the team to challenge the Pirates now at the moment. I saw it with the performance like now in the league. As I said, this Stellis won't challenge Pirates. But since it's a cup game,
once
it's a
off?
once-off thingy. The
Just
only
go for
chance
it.
is just
Just
hanging
go for
there.
it.
They're hanging. They were there for at least 90 minutes. Let's give them that. They drew the game.
And then the witchcraft kicked in. Pela, you see how fast the 3
Yeah,
goals
I know.
going in? Pa. When I look away, look at screen, goal. Hey, get it's goal. 3 goals quickly. Before Steadies could even wake up, it was 3-0.
When the dust settles, the quality shines.
Hey, our Pirates, they are Chaba Pirates, hey. But okay, moving on forward to tonight.
Top of the log.
Kaiser Chiefs versus Cocoon.
Yeah.
What you saying?
Yeah, no, I mean, we just need to carry on what's with what we've been doing with our defense. As long as we don't concede, there's always a chance. But we're not like
Grobler.
we haven't won these games convincing.
Yeah,
right?
that's
But we've-
1-0.
But we've won them because we're not conceding.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the positive. So now we're going against
A team that
that
scores.
man.
A team
I
that
love-
scores is
I love that
Kukune
guy.
scores. Grobler.
Yes,
Hey, Grobler. I'm scared of Grobler.
Yeah. So that's I think our challenge for this season. I think that's our biggest challenge. Well, we played the Sundowns, but
Yeah, play the Sundowns
they
throw.
were not really threatening us on the day. I don't think Sundowns had a good game that day. But now we're gonna play a team that scored every game.
Eish.
Grobler is there.
Hey,
You know, the
Ntambo.
Magawla is there.
Oh, Mahalo.
Yeah, they've been doing well. So it's a real tester for Chiefs. But
Yeah,
no,
defense better be work today.
Yeah, but-
Defense better be
no,
work.
no, but I think the boys will
Yes, but,
manage.
then, do you think they put in any of the new players, the new starters?
Yeah, we can. I think we need that spark up front, bro.
So
You have been scoring.
we experiment today, not any other. No, maybe we wait for Richards Bay or maybe Marquez or something like that before experiment.
Oh,
But chat today.
yeah, we can go in a Maboe there, just to give us that maybe that change of luck there up front, man.
Over who? Let's hear it. Over who, my bro? Over who?
Over Shabalala.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna
No,
Shabalala.
No, we won't play him a top man. I think false nine is a very smart player.
Not even the 10 behind.
Yeah, false nine, like
Yeah,
10,
10 man.
that role behind the striker. Maboe
My
there.
boy.
Yeah, he's clever. Like he can create a chance for other players.
And then so we match prediction there. Animated match prediction. Scoreline.
1-0 Chiefs.
1-0 Chiefs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, bro. Like,
Vela, I agree with you. Today, Pella,
Really?
the biggest team in Africa.
going back to top of the log.
Top of the log. My prediction. Raibetas Kukun. Kukun is better 2-1.
2-1.
2-1 Kaiser Chiefs. Today we concede a goal.
You think
Because Kukun is too strong.
it's too strong.
Kukun is too strong up front. Going forward, Kukun.
Hey, okay.
Mahaula, Grobler.
I don't see them scoring against us, bro. They lost 3-0 to Stellenbosch in 1980. First round.
No, did they?
Semi-final.
Oh, they did. They
3-0.
did. Aye.
So they're not good travelers. Also, you must
Yeah,
understand
they are
that.
not good travelers.
Yeah, so they're a different team when they're playing Go Polokwane.
And you know what?
Yeah.
I'm actually glad you brought Polokwane. I am tired of this thing. Kaiser Chiefs and Young. Maybe you explain it to me. Guys, we can't have home game Peter Mugaba, home game Durban, home game Bloemfontein, home game. We must keep FNB our fortress. Look at Pirates. Or are we escorting? You know when you go
Yeah.
escorting, it's a fortress.
Yeah.
But and what's your thought on this thing? Playing away, everywhere is our home game. Does it work? Or it's just
Yeah, but I
Me-
can't repel a difference because Chiefs is a international, national, domestic team.
it's the economy. It's the economy.
Yeah, man. So we have to give the country, blah. So like you know how many supporters Chiefs has in Durban.
Yeah, but then you see, we're never gonna have a fortress. We're never gonna have a stadium where people come be like, yeah, hey,
we do.
when you play Chiefs at FNB.
No, we do, but like when we
Moses Mabhida is our fortress.
not
Peter
our fortress,
Mokaba.
no, not Peter Mokaba. There we just giving the people like we're a team that gives the people what they want.
But you see, that's where we drop all those points there. We go to those other stadiums, we draw to with Polokwane City, we go to Durban, Amazulu,
No, man, now-
knocks us 1-0.
No, but now I get now the fans had an agreement with the team that Durban it will be full house of Chiefs. Polokwane it will be
Full house.
sold out of Chiefs. FNB obviously is sold out tonight. You know? So those stadiums now we're gonna make them a fortress because they'll be sold out. Chiefs fans, Polokwane sold out. Then we are Durban,
Like it's
Mabhida sold out. FNB sold out.
Sold out, okay. Well,
Will be
speaking of
solid.
the top of the log clashes,
Mhm.
EPL. It's happening, man. Liverpool beat Burnley 1-0.
Lucky
Lucky.
the penalty.
And Liverpool, guys, are they even playing well? Pella, Liverpool's not playing well, but they're just collecting 3 points, 3 points. They just scrape along. Even I remember Newcastle late winner. Burnley late winner. I forgot who else they played. Yeah, the other game also, I know they had a late winner.
Yeah, I think.
Arsenal, free kick. Shop
Yeah,
Arsenal.
yeah.
Late free kick.
Yeah, Liverpool they know how to win. They're a team that knows how to win. They don't play on form.
Hey,
They just know how to win.
even the
So
new
that's why,
stars.
but that's why they were the league champs.
But you think they can carry this on?
The thing is, it's a problem because this team collects points when they're not playing well. So imagine when they find their stride, bruh, and they are now on form, and then it's a problem. Then they're unbeatable. Then that's why they give you 4, give you 5. It's a problem. So these teams, when they're not playing well and they're winning, you should be worried. It's the same case as Sundowns.
Hey,
You see, Sundowns, they haven't found their feet, but bruh,
they're still collecting.
I'm a small team.
They're still collecting my Gezi.
Yeah, no, Sundowns, when you're a small team, they put it to the sword. So these teams, it's a problem when a team like that, they're winning and they're still not playing well. Then you must be worried.
But can they sustain that the whole season?
Liverpool, yeah, they can, bro. They can.
The whole season.
Yeah, they've got the players. They're gonna be playing Champions League, and yeah, I think they can. I think Liverpool, Chelsea, Leon.
Nah, Chelsea. Don't
but
get me
Chelsea-
started there,
Chelsea-
my man. Yo.
Chelsea, Liverpool, Man City, they will be challenging for the league.
Arsenal, you don't count.
No.
And then Chelsea there against Brentford, 2-1 up, 90 something minutes, throw in 2-2.
Chelsea,
Your thoughts?
Fit. Chelsea, hate fit. Like, and this is, Chelsea usual. We don't have a lead, fit. We don't have a lead like.
Like when we had Silva, Thiago Silva.
Yes.
Yeah, we had a leader there.
When now we are 2-1 up, 3 minutes to go. This is we playing for the league. There's no one like demanding because our senior players, Cucurella, like
Yeah, Cucurella, James. Yeah, he's the captain.
Actually, they're not leaders.
The goalkeeper, there's Robert Sanchez.
So we don't have that leadership. Man.
But maybe we're being too harsh. Pella, we're being harsh. Pella, if you look, we can't beat Brentford. Brentford is just one of those teams Chelsea does not beat. Out of last 6 games, I think if I'm not mistaken, we've won 1, drawn 3, and they've won 2. So they've got a better record with us against anyone else.
And those games, we never won the league. Ne?
No.
Yeah, now we want to win the league. We want to win the league now. So those Brentford, no, man, not with the players we have, bro.
It's a bogey team, man. It's a bogey team. Like Kaiser Chiefs and Polokwane City, we know draw. Whenever there's two face each other, draw. Except the season.
You see?
Yeah, except the season.
Yeah,
okay.
this season now is a season for Chiefs to challenge, Chelsea to challenge.
And then okay, now I hear you. And then
Yes.
City or not?
Yeah, no, we can't write them. Not with Pep there.
You saw that 3-0. Yo. You saw that 3-0.
Clean.
3.
Yeah, clean.
And it was meant to be 4 as well. Haaland missed
Could have
and hit
been
the
more,
post.
Yes. Yeah, no, but,
Even Reinders missed a 1-on-1. It couldn't be 5.
no, but Manchester United are struggling. I think the coach doesn't. I don't think the coach still wants to be there. I don't know. It's just for my opinion.
You heard what he said.
Yeah, to say that he's not going to change the system,
Change
he'd
the
rather
man.
change the man. You can just see that it's not the happy days there.
But then how does you see, maybe you've played, so how does it work then? Because like a coach doesn't change the system at all. Does maybe not even the player say, coach, let's try something else. Or what about his technical team? Don't they say anything? No one's saying, listen, let's just change it to a 4-4-5-1, stay compact for a little bit, see out the game. No one's saying anything in his ear.
Yeah, but he's the boss, and I think he's got a philosophy that has worked for him.
Okay.
So unfortunately, some of the coaches,
But in other leagues, but this is different. This is EPL.
other leagues with other players, right?
Yeah.
But take a Mourinho who comes there to an English team and makes them play like a Inter Milan.
Yeah, back 5. Yeah.
With Chelsea. And he won things.
Yeah.
So look, you as a coach is how you can portray that message to the players. It's for them to believe in it.
Okay.
Because come like you're a coach and you come to big players. You come to a big team and now you're making me, who's a striker, who doesn't usually chase back. Now I must check
I
back.
must check back.
Understand?
Yeah.
I must believe in your system for me to be able to check back.
So
Because I'd be like, I must check back for you. Now I want to score goals. So now it gets to that. When the players when that message they don't get it.
Yeah.
Not get it doesn't mean mamele, but a coach with character and a coach that can pass that message to the players who can listen. At a big team, you're a good coach. That's why he's been He's been a coach, yeah.
Yeah.
But he's not a big coach. Big coaches, Ancelotti's, and when they get to a team, bruh, like,
Yeah,
the
they-
team does what they want.
Yeah.
Those are big.
They stamp their
Those
approval.
are big coaches. Those are big. Pep, go to another country. They play this. We build up.
Yeah,
Go
build
to
up play.
England. Now teams go England. They keep on
Keep on talking about
box.
fast,
No,
yeah.
keep him off like talk to him like, hey, England, the whole England. So Pep, he's got that character, and because he's a big coach, his message was there, and the players took it and they ran with it, and the other team saw that that's nice football. Now England, that's England,
Yeah, Scott and Norata Polo.
Now they play, bruh. Oibo? So he's a big coach. So the Manchester United coach is not a big coach. That he like now.
But obviously he's coming to make his name, yeah. He was coming to make his name.
But it's difficult. So I don't think he's. I don't think we're past.
But not even change the system. One game, yeah. And okay, let me try something. I want 3-4-1-2, whatever's not working. Let me try this. Mama, what does my technical team say? Okay, guys, how does that make so? Let's
And
do
then
this.
Assistant coach, let's play 4-4-2 and it works. Coach Onama, his system is not working.
But
training.
then I agree, that's why he's part
Yeah,
of your
but now
team.
Coach my philosophy is not working the team.
So
Whatever.
then what?
Was
So then
assistant doing
you-
like 4-4-2.
how does
Now he was
that-
at 3-4-3 yaka, eh. Then yours works. Ul assistant so then the players about create yona. How I see the game now and how I do
Yeah.
things, Coach is not working in this team. That's gonna be his answer.
Hish.
Well, and he can see it, it's not working.
Yeah,
so
it's
that's
not
why he's
working.
even saying now.
Fire me,
Rather
JK,
change the man.
fire me. But when I'm thinking about it, does Amorim have a technical team? Because if you look at Pep, when there's something wrong, he turns around, speaks to
Yeah.
someone, comes back. Amorim is
I
just by
even see-
himself.
Yeah. So
Even Arteta turns to someone. All the guys turn to
Always.
someone. Yeah, now we won.
there's
Jay.
always and the assistant coach is the brain usually behind
they
the
see
coach.
something, yeah.
Yeah, he is actually because he's the one when the coach is going crazy on the bench, he calms him down, planning Lena. Because we might think the coach has the final say, but the coach gives the final question to the assistant. Manje, give him
Yeah, give him a what
the
happens
assistant
there.
will be like, wait. If it's the assistant who knows the story, not the assistant who's emotional or who just follows what the coach says.
man,
I understand. So there at Manchester, it's problems. Hopefully get solved. Cause
And I see
it's
he's
not
got
nice.
he's got the worst winning ratio. I think something like worst win ratio. So if it
In
carries
England?
on, no, out of all the Manchester United
Oh,
coaches who've come and coached,
coaches,
yeah,
yeah.
he's got the worst win ratio. And they even might all go back to Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. I know that. I saw there's talks about bringing him back into the fold.
But
Because if he carries on like this, relegation
yeah, because
Relegation battle.
Yeah, I never Manchester
finish
finishing the last number
14
last.
or 16.
Yes, it was like 1 point.
Yeah, remember Tottenham, remember them. They were in the final 14-16.
Yeah, so it's pain, man. So hopefully, yeah, for them,
It comes right.
yeah, I think they must.
And then
they
Arsenal?
must clean their house.
Arsenal not winning the league. Pelangit, they signed Madueke, Eze. They've beefed up the attack.
My is from Chelsea. Must be.
Yeah, he can go. I think he must go to Arsenal.
So,
I'm done with him.
But I saw he scored for England. For his national team, it's good for him. You can see where he's in a happy place now.
Yeah.
I think at Chelsea, man, I think
Pressure.
They were just taking it easy, man. For me, they didn't have competition.
Yeah. There was no pressure. Yeah.
Not even chasing. But he realized that now he has to work.
But then you go to Arsenal to work. Why don't you work by us, even if he had no pressure?
Yeah, but he knew he was going to play anyway.
Oh,
Last
okay.
season.
Okay.
Yeah, now we've got winger. Now.
Hey,
Now
Astavio,
we've got a
Gittens.
team. Yeah, now you can be fourth choice, Bill.
Yeah.
So now he realized that he has to work. But it's good for him that a team like Arsenal took it.
Took
Because
him,
a big
yeah.
team, because he's got potential
Yeah, no,
to be a big player. So it's good for him. He's good for England. And yeah, well, I'm just glad he's doing well. But we're now with Chelsea, sharp.
no, Chelsea's
Arsenal, but with a player like him, to think they'll challenge the league. That's what I'm saying. Consistency there. Winning a game with a player like Saka, they were there. So at least I don't know if they want to replace Saka with him or they want to add him to the Saka.
they'll never replace Saka.
Yeah, but
Saka
I think
is
Saka
their boy.
was the one carrying the team and he did it alone for so long.
And
What I
injuries,
said.
yeah,
Havertz got
automotives.
injured, was a problem. So Arsenal just always gets problems. So I don't see
See
them.
what?
They're not a trade, but the Man City and the Liverpool will challenge the league.
The Challenger League.
Chelsea
and
then.
Chelsea. Hey, speaking of Chelsea, tomorrow, do you know where we're playing?
Mhm.
Allianz Arena. Germany. Chelsea, Bayern Munich.
Yeah.
Nicholas Jackson is now a Bayern Munich player. Okay. What? You know how it works. All players come
So-
back and they haunt you.
So I must be worried.
I'm asking you, aren't you worried?
No, I'm not. They must play him instead of Harry Kane.
So are we winning tomorrow?
Yes, Chelsea win.
In Germany?
Mhm.
Score? Prediction?
It'll be closer, like 2-1.
Hey, my man, I'm scared. But you know what? We world champions, I guess. And
Yeah,
once
man.
it comes to these
Come
teams,
on.
the PSGs, the
Yes.
Juventuses,
Bring them
we're
here.
we're
No, this
another
team-
animal.
You see these teams, bring them here.
Yeah, we're another animal. Okay, are we winning?
Bafana
Yeah,
Rona,
3-1.
you're happy? No, you're happy
Which
with our national team, you know?
Oh,
Where you-
when we won draw against Nigeria?
Yeah.
Yeesh.
'Cause we never
what-
really touched on that, bruh.
Yeah, we didn't touch on it actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, your thoughts? Your thoughts on Nigeria?
Because
I'm happy with it. Remember, I said I'm happy with
A
the draw.
draw,
Yeah, I'm
yeah.
happy with the draw. I don't want any noise or anything, Nigeria. To just take a draw and keep it moving. Keep it pushing.
it was a dirty game. And I think the Nigerian players,
They came with anger, those guys.
it's difficult for them to accept that we are matching them now. How they played in Fana, like they were kicking everyone. They were in Fana.
But does it not look disjointed to you, Nigeria?
Yes,
It's, I think, like too many
much
stars.
individuals.
Yeah, too many stars. Lookman wants to
too
do
much
this.
individuals. Yeah,
Aina, right back, wants to be Basi, centre
They-
back, wants
they-
to carry the ball himself and
They-
dribble through
they're not a
everyone.
team. The difference is them, like they're not a team. They're just depending on individual brilliance. The difference is Rona. Rona we're a team, fan.
Yeah, no, we're a team.
We are solid.
We're a
fam.
team. And I'm glad most people play local. That's what I like
Yeah.
about it.
We're here
Yeah.
together, so I see us winning the AFCON. There's good things coming. For
Winning the
South Africa.
AFCON. And then, like I said, we start adding Chiefs players there. Sipesi Hlonjov. Umthetho. It just says back up, guys. Back up. What is that?
Aye. Leave the national team as it is, bro. I don't want to enter. No. Edile Munyani was added there. It's okay. Like, I was out of fucking like players Chiefs pressure. bro.
And the way,
That's the national
but
team.
no, but the national team in Mbogazi, Matota.
Special player. Nah, he's a special player, that boy.
He's leaving.
Braveness.
Straight, he's leaving.
Ne?
I don't know where he's going to, but he's leaving. A team's
Yeah.
gonna come.
Hopefully he gets well managed.
And I hope he goes to like an Italian side. To let the art of
Defend, ne?
defending, yeah. To be a proper defender, learn with
Yeah.
those guys that side.
It's like, well, because he's our young boy, man. So let's hope it gets managed well. We're seeing such a talent. Or like really now
Yeah.
the moves, this moves, he has to go overseas, it doesn't go, who goes?
And then
Now the player contracts.
it
and
affects him on the
stuff.
pitch.
Why
He doesn't
won't-
perform the
So what the
same.
problem? No? So I just hope he gets well managed, and if overseas moves comes, good for him, it's good for the country, and he
Yeah.
deserves to go. Man.
Good for the yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of moves, country, what's going on with Mudau? Koliso. Is he staying? Is he going? Because he's staying, he's not playing. Does he wants to leave? How do you let me ask, how do you come back into a team that's saying, I want to leave? I tell the coach I want to leave. The management doesn't release me, I come back into the team.
When Asele Joalo Mfana, like it's difficult to come back to a team. It's difficult to come back to a team after that.
Mm.
Yeah, for me, like to go back to training to the players who I said I'm going, to the coach that I said I'm going, to the management who I said I'm leaving, bruh. Like for me to come back there, it
Won't be the same.
won't be the same. So
So-
for him, it's just to sort out how is he gonna move, and that's the delay. And unfortunately,
But he's not moving.
Yeah, unfortunately, he must come back to play.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought we were against my case.
Yeah.
Obvious, Mudau back in, but
it's-
didn't play.
I'm sure they'll manage it, man, because the country needs him, bro.
Hey, we need Mudau
We
back.
need him for AFCON is coming up in the World Cup, so and for him also, like he's one of my boy also.
Okay.
So
Yeah, tell me, yeah, we need him back, man. And then
Yeah.
speaking of those whole transfer saga thing, Ribeiro, guys, I still don't understand what happened. So he took himself out of Sundowns. He wrote a letter. Jiggy jiggy, he's in Spain training. I see photos there.
maybe we
Hey,
bail it
man.
out. Who knows?
Sundowns haven't seen Sundowns say we part ways with Ribeiro.
Fana, that's
How does that work, usually?
Fana. I think you must do some digging, man. Some journalism digging there. Go Sundowns. So I think we must go there to Torokop and just find out there what's happening, guys. We need some insights there because obviously we'll just talk on what we hear,
yeah,
and
what
what we
we
see
hear, yeah.
in social media and stuff.
But what do you think happens in that situation? How does that happen?
No, I think he just fought them that he wants to go, and I think Sundowns agreed
But why don't they come out and say something and say, okay, Sharp,
because
we
they're not happy
released
about
him?
it. I don't think they're happy about it about letting him go. I don't think they got their money's worth as Sundowns, so they're not happy about the move. So it's not like a blessed goodbye, like bye Ribeiro, Nandi.
Yeah, but just say
not that.
Ribeiro exits Sundowns. Ribeiro is now left Sundowns to join Wada Wada.
Akere le
We wish
mo
him all the
ko
best.
Spain.
Sharp.
Le tla ngola lona, le mo.
I see a red kid Mutua trainer.
Tla bona go
After-
Real Madrid from allowance akakho. I mean, it's sad though. It's sad how these moves happen, fella. Bona Ribeiro go Madrid he won.
Okay, you know.
Sandawana is go Madrid. Yeah,
I
well.
mean, he drops the letter today. Tomorrow, the next day, Wednesday, he's there
As
practicing.
I say, like the player wants to go, man. Hey, player wants to go. So also, I think it's a situation here, Sailor.
But what if the Sundowns still? But yeah, what's about long Sundowns accepted? What if they're still refusing? And then Ribeiro, and then he's joined another team. Won't happen. Contract conflict.
If trainer, yeah. Like I don't think
Okay.
I don't think there's a player who's contracted to Sundowns who would go train with another team without Sundowns.
Mara,
knowledge.
look at. I'm pretty sure it didn't happen locally with someone.
Contract is so failing.
Yeah, man. Before Saling was training. Basa training Orbit, but training the team yang went before, just training. And then he went to Orbit. If I'm not mistaken, I read that somewhere.
Team ya ko Rodiport.
Oh, Senyana.
yeah. Keeping fit because that's wrong.
Yeah,
If
that
you're
is.
a Palace
Yeah.
player, you can't go train with another team. Yeah. So Lil Repair, I think there was an underground agreement. That's like something that Chlorocop and just
Investigate.
I'll just do my investigation. Yeah, and next week maybe I'll have some insights. The Ribeiro move.
Ribeiro
We'll see.
saga.
Yeah, we'll
Hey.
see.
Okay.
Tough.
Anything else in this chat about on your mind? Is that it?
Oh, good luck, Petu.
Hey,
We'll see for
guys.
life.
Kaizer Chiefs tonight, please, guys. Top of the log.
Six.
We need to get top of the
Out
log
of
and
6.
remove Sundowns
Oh,
from
yeah,
there.
bo. Yes.
And then, yeah, Pella,
That's
we're
the
the
mission.
strongest team in South Africa.
Hashtag remove Sunday.
Yeah, hashtag remove Sundowns. Hey, guys, that's our show. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching us. It's Man versus Tuso. And this show was proudly brought to you by PokerBet, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.